Ay, huwag ka maingay, huwag ka magbabanggit ng JB.
Oo, JB.
Kanya, hindi ka kaya mo.
You came along unexpectedly.
Talaga, minsan, dadapa. Kaya kailangan mo pa. Wala kang magkakapagin ka.
Cause I'm not complaining, but you see, you got my mind spinning. Why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers?
Yun yun. Why you
Only
live for
friends.
lovers?
Came along at the wrong place.
The two of us.
Wrong time.
Ay, ito mo na talaga.
Was it me?
Sa'yo, naka-block nga doon.
Maybe I dream of you every minute. You're in my dreams, and you're always in it. That's the only place I know where you could be mine.
I know you.
And
Take the
only till I wake up.
I know your life can go on without me. That you can be happy without me.
Why can't
That you
it
can
be
survive without me.
love?
But even
Why
if
can't
you
we
turn
be
me away,
Hindi mo ka.
but even if you turn me away, I will still choose with you and be your sweetest stranger forever.
Yeah, boy!
Iba to.
Uy, huwag ka mag-inanega ka.
Kapag... Ang touching! Kapag ang nanay mo, nagkanin. Sa'yo, pasok sa tenga, tapos sa kabila, kaya bukasan wala na. Pero pag ang mahal mo, ang gamit sa'yo, pati sa tenga, pasok, hindi sa utak. Pag sa puso, labas sa mata, matching luha ka. Yeah, boy!
You came along at the wrong place at the wrong time. You came along at the wrong place at the wrong time. Was it?
Masarap magkaroon ng best friend. May taong mag-aalaga sa'yo, at may taong magpapasaya sa'yo. Pero handa mo bang itaya ang pagkakaibigan para sa hinahangad mong pagmamahal? Pakita mo nga, paano nangyayari sa video?